How to download FYERS application on mobile devices. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download FYERS application on mobile devices. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Play Store or App Store depending upon the device. So this step is applicable for both your iOS or Android devices. Tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap search bar at top of the screen and type in FYERS application. Search for this app and here you need to select the official FYERS stock and option trading application. So this app is a top-notch show market trading app by insights of over 700,000 traders. So simply tap on install button and you need to wait until it gets downloaded and installed on your device. After that, you can easily use the application on your mobile devices. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.